Gymnastics didn't just teach me how to flip, it taught me how to fall, get back up, and keep going. Gymnastics is highly respected and well known for its crazy skills, power and control from the athlete, and the mental and physical strength it takes for the athlete to train and compete. Today I will talk not only about what gymnastics taught me in the gym, but what it taught me about life, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and how it all ultimately plays a role in who I am today. Growing up, training as many harsh hours as I was, my body was made of pure muscle as a result. And growing up, I went to a very small school where all the girls were ballerinas, and a ballet body versus a gymnast body are two very different body types. And I guess as a result of that, and my body looking so different from everybody else's, I received a lot of hurtful words. And being so young and at such an impressionable age, those words definitely hang on and linger and manifest inside you. And it was also very confusing on my young mind, because outside of the gym, I was being told by my peers and by adults that, a young lady shouldn't have so much muscle and that it wasn't cute for me to have muscles. But inside of the gym, I was being told that I needed more muscle. I wasn't strong enough. I needed to train more to get stronger. And not only did gymnastics affect my body by the way that it looked, it affected how it felt. When I was in about the 5th grade, my knee started hurting really bad. And it got to the point that I had to stop training, and I couldn't even squat down to tie my shoe or pick something off the floor. And I went to the doctor and was diagnosed with Osgood-Schlatter's, which is a very, very painful knee disease, which essentially means the tendons in your knees aren't growing at the right pace, and it's very painful, hurt really bad, it still does. And it's also very common in young, active athletes. And this ultimately led to me quitting gymnastics altogether and taking a break from physical activity for a year. And then I didn't know how to not be an athlete, so I said, well, I know how to do flips. Let me pick up cheerleading. And I picked up cheerleading, and all of the hard work and discipline that gymnastics taught me ultimately led me to be the college cheerleader that I am today. Not only did the discipline and hard work ethic that I gained from gymnastics help me as an athlete, but it helps me in my everyday life. It taught me how to have discipline and work hard in school and in relationships with my family, and even doing things around the house, such as cleaning my room. Gymnastics also taught me that I always need to be doing something. And in the gym, if we were sitting down, taking a break, we were told, you need to get up. There's something you should be doing. You should never be sitting down. There's always something that needs to be done. And that definitely played a role into my everyday life, because I had that mindset of nothing you're doing is enough. You always should be doing something. You need to be doing something more. And that kind of played into my life, as in I never felt like I could just lay down and, watch TV, take a break. And yes, that can be a good thing, as that mindset made me very proactive and made me always get my schoolwork done, always get my training done. But it also could be a bad thing, because it's always good to just slow down, relax, take a break, let your body and your mind reset. And it's important to share and talk about the reality of what it's like growing up in such a rigorous sport, which is why today I talked about the mental and physical aspects of gymnastics and how it all shaped me into the person I am today. Because before gymnastics shaped my body, it shaped my mind. And for that, I will forever be grateful to the sport of gymnastics. Thank you.